I can see that if I'm going to open this live in my computer, then I can see your graphics, okay? I will tuck you in. All right, Sir Tonskill. I wish that I know your name. Tonskill. Tonskill. Yeah. I don't know what Tonskill mean, but I think is that your family name or just your YouTube name? But thank you so much really for being here. All right, guys. So, Sir Tonskill, I am ready to end this live right now. And also to Sophie. Hi, Sophie. Go to bed, Sophie, if you're sleepy, right? And an hour after now is that I'm going to do silent live stream up to 5 in the morning. So I don't know yet. I don't know yet what kind of silent live stream, what kind of settings that I'm gonna be posting. But it's something that I cannot tell you here yet because I don't have any idea yet. We'll see what I can do for my silent live stream. I'm just going to leave that silent live stream in my room. I guess. Yeah. So that would be, I'm gonna be preparing that one after this. All right, thank you so much for being here. Nice name, Tony. Our Tony is Tony as my first name. Okay, you're Tony, Tonskill, Tony. So I think your family name is Kill. Tony is my first name. Okay, nice meeting you, Sir Tony from England. Thank you so much for being here again in my live. Thank you very much, Sir Tony. And to also Sir Badakal Pramod and Sander. And most especially here, Rex, Sophie. Rex here is Sophie, guys. Thank you so much, Sophie, for being here. And all the Bernadette Alcontin and Sir Badakal Pramod and Cassandra, Joey, Sardinia Alcontin. Thank you so much to all of you guys who has been here in my live and for always supporting into my channel and my live. Okay, thank you so much for always always my viewer and interactor here in my live. I really appreciate that from my heart. Okay, so thank you so much. I really have to go. Sir Tonskill, please subscribe Rex channel. Rex channel is owned by 13-year-old girl. Rex is her pet. This is a lizard. He got a very big lizard over there, which is she name it Rex. Yeah, Sophia. Yeah, you can because she just got only 36 subscribers and she needs more subscribers. Yeah, Sophia is 11 years old. Oh my God, I'm really sorry, Sophie. Okay, Sophia here is only 11 years old. Oh my God, I'm really sorry. I get confused sometimes with your ages. Yeah, because Sander here is 15 years old from Kansas. He's finally he's transferred in Las Vegas at the moment. And also to Soledad. My God, Soledad was in my live earlier for 5 hours actually. Hello, Soledad. I miss you here in my live, Soledad. And I hope you're okay, Soledad. I hope to see you soon. I hope to see you in my next live. Thank you very much. Soledad. I have to shout out my BFF. My friend, Soledad. Okay? She's not here in this live, but I think she's sleeping or she's resting, guys. Okay? So thank you so much for being here, Sir Tonskill. Thank you so much. I hope you did leave me a like in this live right now. Sir Badaka, thank you so much. And Sir Tonskill, please subscribe Rex. Rex is 11 years old. She's a girl, of course. And Rex is the name of her pet lizard. Okay, of her pet lizard. She named it Rex. So Rex here is owned by Sophia, with this 11-year-old girl. All right, guys. So I really have to go, guys, before I run out my battery. Okay, because my battery now is already 30%. Okay, so ayan. So thank you so much for being here, guys. See you in my next live, Rex. See you in my next live, Sophie. Yes, Sir Tonskill. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye, Bernadette Alconten and Cassandra Joey Alconten, Sardinia. Thank you so much, Alconten Bernadette family, for supporting me always. And shout out to Graham. He's not here. I think he's been sleeping. He was in my live earlier for 5 hours also. Thank you so much, guys. Hello. Good night, everyone. Good night from Davao, Philippines. Okay. Love you. Love you lots from